In Victus Motors, we've got this awesome Citroen Ds4. It's a 2011 plate. What can I say? My colleague picked this up as a part exchange from a customer up in Scotland. The customer that traded this in has got 2 kids, and to simply put, he wanted a Porsche Boxster for the summer. And he has had this for a couple of years now and wanted us to take this in as a part X, which is what we have done. We know a fair bit about the car because my colleague drove it down from Scotland. The car is in pretty good shape overall. There are a few things, in my opinion, which can do with a touch-up. And let me just show you the bad bits first. The alloys are a bit scuffed, but you know, anything with this age and with this kind of a price, you are going to get a couple of imperfections. See that tiny bit of wear over there. Okay, what can I tell you about the interior? Okay, part leather, part fabric, perfect for the summer, perfect for the winter, because you don't get sweaty in the summer with the leather, and you don't get sort of cold with the leather in the winter. So the part fabric, part leather works fantastic. Something really cool, we just discovered this. Look at this, slides all the way out. Gives you shade. And should you want it to say, well, I want my little pan roof, slide it back. Hey, the railing system. Something else that's quite interesting about this, it's actually got massage seats. Who thought you could get a massage seat in a 2011 plate car? Drives really good, handles really well. No issues with how it drives. As you know, my colleague drove it from Scotland. Adam, let's jump in for a test drive. Now on to the inside. We don't just like to, do a quick little video of what the car looks like in a video inside and outside. We like to do a little test drive of the car, because as with the pandemic, not many people actually get to go out and see cars and drive cars, but we do that for you. So should you want to buy this car, you've seen the good bits, you've seen the bad bits, and you can just basically click a couple of buttons or pick up the phone, call us from the comfort of your home, and we'll deliver this car to you. It is as easy as that. Now let me just take you through the interior of the car. It's got a flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel, the radio works, the AC works in the car, all the buttons work as they should. There's no issues, there's no rips, there's no tears, there's no scratches, nothing whatsoever of like anything from a major concerning point of view. Now I'm into 4th gear, the gears changes really, really well. From an economy perspective, it's very economical. My colleague put a full tank of fuel in this. I think cost 62 pounds, an absolutely full tank of fuel. And I think it still has 136 miles range. Incredible. From Scotland to Essex, which is over 8.5 hours worth of driving. Still got 136 miles worth of range, all for 62 pounds. That is really something. This has got some sort of a styling pack on the exterior, so you don't get the styling pack, this spec, with every Citroen Ds4. You get that with this. So something quite unique about it. From a driving perspective, there are no issues. Suspension is all good, there's no knocks, no bumps, all the brakes work. I mean, if you've got kids and you're looking to buy this, you can buy with absolute peace of mind, because the previous owner had 2 kids. So with all due respect, no one's going to be driving around one of these cars now. I think he had it for, was it 3 or 4 years? No one's going to be driving one of these with their kids at the back if it's not safe, if the pads are not good, if the discs are not good, if the tires are not good. Everything is up to standard on this car. It's got a part service history, so the service history is up until 2015. After that, our customer had not simply stamped the service book, but I could inquire and confirm the remaining service history. So should you buy a Citroen Ds4? Yes, I think you should, but buy one that's been properly test driven, properly checked, and given to you with complete peace of mind from a dealer. Lastly, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel. We put a lot of hard work in these videos, so we would appreciate any support or any encouragement that can come from our audience. Thank you very much for your time.